sir, madam. My name is Rachela T. Sonaco, Filipino, and I am 24 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am single. I have one brother and 5 sisters, and I am the fourth in the family.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Rachela. How are you right now?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm fine.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the good characteristic of a good domestic helper is being patient, honest, and hardworking person.
Since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid homesickness?
Sir, madam, I can avoid homesickness by doing household chores and doing other activities and make myself busy.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I can take care of the children by giving their vitamins, playing with them, give food and take a bath.
Okay, what if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
Any message to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Rachela, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.